Here we're testing the absolute base spec version of the all-new Isuzu D-Max. It's called the SX, and even though it might seem fairly stripped back and basic, there's actually a lot packaged into this one-tonner. You may have noticed the high ride height of this model. That's because Isuzu Australia has removed the previous low-riding SX from the lineup. Now, only the high ride is available. It offers an impressive 235mm of ground clearance, which makes it an ideal workhorse. It'll drive up curbs with no problem, and it should be able to handle the tricky conditions of a typical job site. This example shows off the genuine aluminium tray, featuring secure tie points and rattle-resistant latches, and it even comes with an integrated washer bottle and water tank. The new high-ride specification also includes 255/65 all-terrain tyres. These provide some added grip on boggy surfaces, although if you really want to go off-road, you're better off going with the four-wheel drive options. Inside, Isuzu has applied a major overhaul, improving the dash design, ergonomics, and creature comforts. The SX misses out on the new 9-inch touchscreen offered in the upper models, but at least it does come with a decent 7-inch unit as standard. Pull-out cup holders from the dash carry over from before, and there are plenty of storage pockets around the place. Isuzu has finally introduced a tilt and reach adjustment for the steering column, so now it's easy to find a natural driving position. And the SX features a full vinyl floor, which is really easy to clean. All new D-Max models come with the significantly updated 4JJ 3-litre turbo diesel engine. There's more power and torque on hand, but fuel consumption has gone up a fraction. The performance is pretty good for its class, although the manual transmission has a really short first gear, which is not ideal for off-the-mark acceleration. In fact, in heavy traffic conditions it can get a bit tiresome. This is what it goes like.